In this chat, I'm breaking down how you can figure out if that pesky bathroom leak around your toilet is coming from underneath or just some outside moisture sneaking in, all without pulling the toilet off right away. So, here's the deal. When you spot water pooling or moisture near the base of your toilet, the first thing to check is whether the toilet feels solid or if it wiggles even a bit. If there's any movement, that's a huge red flag because it usually means the wax seal under the toilet has gone bad. That wax ring is what keeps all the nasty stuff from leaking out, but if it's compressed or cracked from movement, you've got an escape route for leaks. Another clue is to look for water stains or dampness on the floor around the toilet and nearby walls. If it's wet only after heavy use, it's likely a seal issue. But if the moisture seems constant or appears after heavy rain, then outside water could be creeping in from gaps or cracks in the subfloor or wall. You can also try putting down some dry paper towels around the base, then using the toilet and checking if they get wet quickly. That'll hint at an internal leak. If you're still unsure, smell can help too. Leaking sewage smells almost always mean the wax ring is toast. Bottom line, your best bet is to tighten or reset the toilet and swap out that wax ring for a modern rubber one that holds up better over time. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with toilet leaks is ignoring any slight wobble in the toilet base, because even tiny shifts crush that wax ring, causing leaks over time. Another common issue is using the old wax ring again during repairs, which is a quick way to keep leaking since wax doesn't bounce back once compressed. Lastly, folks often forget to clean the flange and surrounding area before resealing, which leads to poor adhesion and more leaks down the line. The fix? Always make sure your toilet is rock solid before sealing. Replace the wax ring with a quality rubber seal that remembers its shape and clean everything up thoroughly before putting it back down. BigHomeProjects.com is solid for hooking you up with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to bathroom repairs and plumbing. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a great spot to find steady work and connect with homeowners needing reliable pros like you.